Hey guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here, and today we are going to look over my brand new workstation. This is a Frontier, as you see there. It's a 62-inch workbench with a solid wood top and a metal pegboard in the back. Now, let's talk about the pegboard really quick. It is solid metal. Sorry for all the glare. My camcorder does not like how much light is going on right now. It does come with 6 of these red bins and some pegboard accessories, as you see here. I bought another set of pegboard accessories on Amazon, as well as the blue bins that you see on the right. So the blue bins on the right, they were really cheap, but there's a slotting here, and there's 3 levels of it for these bins to kind of like slip in there. It's great for little parts storage and stuff, quick nuts and bolts kind of thing, odds and ends. So I really like that, and I will figure out how I'm going to use the pegboard sometime in the future. I haven't loaded this thing up yet, but I have started to. One thing I already don't like, you can see it there, these damn drawer locks. I don't like them. I'm probably going to take them off. But here is your main drawer. I've loaded it down with some of my Husky ratcheting wrenches and some other stuff, but plenty of space here. It does come with some, I'm going to call them lackluster, but they're really not bad. It's about the same quality you get from just about anywhere of the drawer liners. So they're already cut and formed to each drawer, so that's nice. That's your main drawer. Unfortunately, it's not full length, but you do have drawers over here with just a slight separation. Here I have some speed wrench type multi-wrench. We can talk about those in a later video. Just odds and ends again here. This is about a 2-inch drawer. Most of these are pretty slim all the way down. Damn drawer locks. Here I have C-clamp. My big boy Husky set. I forget which one it was. I want to say it was the 25, but it's either the 25 or the 24. It's one of those that I bought to kind of complete this set. But yeah, those are invaluable, especially when you're working on bigger trucks and SUVs. Here's my big drawer down here. I don't know how I'm going to utilize this. I thought about trying to make like a charging drawer or something. I'll figure out what I'm going to do with that. And then here, this is going to be, I think it's going to be my socket drawer. It does also come with these little bins that are supposed to go into the pegboard, but I'm just using them here in my socket drawer for separation. Like here's a bunch of my adapters and things in there. Yeah, I mean, the drawers aren't really that bad. They have a nice range and depth. The ball bearing slides work good. Down here we have my 4-way breaker bars and this hammer 3/8 1/2-inch extendable ratchet I got from Tractor Supply. Down to the left we have a lockable, which is interesting, a lockable door and adjustable shelf. I have it kind of low right now. I'm sure in the future I'll raise that. And it is really deep. I know the lighting's not great for that, but it is. It's full depth. So you can get your blow molded cases out of the way in there. We have 6. I'm going to call them heavy duty. They're not the best, but with there being 6 of them, of the casters, they work pretty well. It was fairly easy to roll around, and even though you know, you got 2 set that swivel, so that helps a little bit get it against the wall. Some of them, the middle set will be stationary and the edges swivel, which means you got to walk it. So we didn't have that, so that is a good feature. The wood top, I've already been doing some stuff on here. It's maybe a little dirty, but it's holding up well. It's not scratched or anything yet. So it's in really good shape. I like the color of it. And I got this at Home Depot for just under 600 bucks. I had a coupon or a discount for using my Home Depot credit card, and then I paid off the balance. There is a red one available, but the red one is cheaper than the black, and for whatever reason I decided to go with the black, so I paid like 20 or 25 bucks more for the black. But it's a really decent workstation if you're just looking for something basic. The handle's over here, power strip, USB, which does it's a pretty good charge. It has to be at least 2.1. I don't think it's 3.1 on the USB, but it's been enough to charge all my phones in a decent amount of time, so that's good. And then 3 outlets there. Of course, you can always get a strip or something. And then on this side, you have a little tool holder. It just kind of like slips into a channel. I wish that was better, but it is functional. And then you have a paint can or lube can tray, WD-40, whatever have you, there. So for about 600 bucks, it's nice and big. I like the pegboard on the back. It's a pretty good deal, guys. I mean, I gotta say, I'm very impressed with it. So you can check this out. These should still be available. I ordered mine. I had it shipped to the store and then went and picked it up. Interesting thing about it, if you're still watching, the casters came on it, except for the back and the handle and the tray over here. Everything came fully assembled. So that was nice, easy to set up. But that's what I got for you guys today. The Frontier 62-inch workstation with metal pegboard. This is what you can expect. This is what you can expect. A lot of storage for not a lot of price, and the quality seems pretty good. Obviously not something you want to buy if you're a career mechanic, but for your home garage or workshop, I think this is a great buy at the price. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your support. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.